Good morning, good morning. What's happening? It's your guy Mike Moore. And I have my little fella with me. Say what's up, Kimmit?
What's up?
And this morning, I guess I'll be cooking. You know, every morning I wake up, I be hungry. Don't really have nothing to eat. So I'm just gonna cook for myself. My wife upstairs, she's just chilling because she's not in the mood to cook. The kids in the room, hanging out, doing nothing. So I decided I'm gonna cook for myself because I'm hungry. And that's the best way to do it. And just do it for yourself when no one else wants to do it for you. So what I have today, I'm just being creative. I guess I'm gonna try to make some, I got some chicken, some shrimp, and some bacon. And with those three elements, I'm just gonna try to make like a little pasta, a little stir fry, something with the bacon and shrimp and chicken. And I don't know how it's gonna go. It could be some pasta, it just could be some stir fry, but who knows? You guys just come along with me and let's see how I create a meal. All right, let's go. All right, I got some chicken. I got some shrimp. My little seasonings up here too, you guys can see. I don't even know if I'm gonna use this. I got some Monterey chicken and some garlic powder and black pepper. This is the basic seasons I use pretty much on all my my meats or food, period. And just some, I guess it's some wild wings, some beef dubs, Parmesan garlic. I was considering using that, but I don't know. I'm still kind of up in the air. I don't know exactly what I'm going to go with this. Like I said, you guys just come with me, and I'm just going to create a meal. I found this. I think I had this for a while. That's some vegetable blend. You know, I got to keep my vegetables. So that's what I do when I'm cooking. You know, I like to implement healthy foods in my meal. So let me see. I got the stir-fried vegetable blend. I got chicken, shrimp. I got some bacon in the oven. And I'm still contemplating what I'm going to do, how I'm going to mix it all up. I know I want to make it a stir-fry. You know, see? That's the stir-fry right there. But I don't know what other flavor I should put with it. So let me figure out what will be good with chicken, shrimp, and bacon mixed together. And I'm looking for maybe like a creamy, you know, like a Parmesan garlic, or I'm looking for something to put with this to give it more flavor. So you guys have any ideas? Leave a comment down there. You know, if you're watching this video, leave a comment down there and let me know what I could mix with this chicken and shrimp and bacon. All right, let me go to my pantry. I don't want you guys to see that, and see what's in there that I could put with this. So I got this is a salad dressing, some Worcestershire sauce, soy sauce, some Asia zinc, and what is this? The King Hawaii. That's the big island. That stuff right there is spicy, y'all. Really, really, really spicy. Look, this stuff needs to be shooken up too, because it's been sitting. But this is very spicy too. I got some steak sauce. I don't know. And then I got some Greek dressing also. So I'm gonna try to be daring. I wonder which one of these I'm gonna use. Can you guys guess? I don't know myself. But let me know what you guys think. You know, in the comments if you're watching this video, what sauce or season I should have used in this process. Okay? Thank you. Should have put something in there. As you can see, chicken doesn't really take long to cook. I just put that in there and it almost burnt. Well, it was sticking to the pan, so I had to put some butter and my seasonings in there, and now it's okay. It smells really good. And I decided to use, you know, this soy, you know, this stuff here. And that's all because, you know, it kind of matches, right? You say, hey, soy, vegetable blend. I guess I'm getting back to my Korean side. And that's why we eat so much Chinese food. Well, we call it Chinese food, but I think it's like really Korean food / American food, because they be having our foods there too. But that's what I went with. So let's see how the rest of it turns out. Some ginger. No. Nah. It don't have that smell yet. It doesn't have that pop. What I'm missing? What I'm missing, y'all? Tell me. What I'm missing? See, y'all don't know something. I use onion powder too. You probably wonder, like, why you put so much seasoning on this stuff? Like, you put a lot of seasoning on this food, like. But I like my food to have flavor. You know, let's say when you get older, your taste buds, you know, kind of fade away. So you have to kick it up a little bit, you know, when it comes down to the flavoring of your food. You know, so that's what I like to do. Now we're gonna wait until these turn all the way orange, and then they'll be done. All right, I'll be back. Alright, it's almost done. See, this thick shrimp like this, you gotta let it cook for a minute, because it'll be tough. It'll be tough. There's some jumbo shrimp too, so it looks good. Yeah, what you think? You probably can't really tell. But it's alright. It actually look pretty good. So I'm gonna use this and the chicken. I have my bacon. Look at that bacon. That can't get no better than that. Can't get no better than that now. We got a shrimp. Man, that shrimp is really big. That shrimp is really big. Look good. All right. Next, I'm gonna just put the vegetable in together and see how it turned out. I thought I was gonna use some type of vinaigrette or some type of dressing to put over it, but I think I'm gonna just keep it just straight steam and with the meat. Ain't gonna do nothing really special, you know, because I really don't know what to put in it, so I decided not to put anything in it. All the things that I did show you, I don't think it will be a good match for what I'm trying to do. So stay tuned. I'm gonna mix it all together. So I crumble my bacon up. You know, this way I can get like good bacon bits and also get some of that grease off the bacon. See? That's a long piece of broccoli. Yeah, I got bear with me, it's frozen. Okay, that should do it. Now, what I would do with this is just let it steam. I will use the basically the seasons that I've been using in it already. Well, not the seasoning, but I did use some soy. Put some more of that back in there. Yeah. And you know, I want to be daring, so let's see. I'm gonna go. I'm gonna just go out on a limb and try this right here. I don't know how it's gonna turn out. Maybe turn out good, maybe not. But hey, I'm experimenting. So, and yeah, I mean, it tastes like some Asian food. So I'm gonna put a little of this in there. Let ooze that all around there. Yeah. Ooh, that might be a little bit too much. I got that in. A little water. A little water. Kick it up a notch. Alright, now I'm gonna put a top over that so it can steam from that water. Put a top over so it can steam that water. And I'll be back.
Perfect.
All right, it's about done. I think the vegetables is okay. They still, I guess they still frozen a little bit. So I'll just go ahead and give it a little stir, stir fry, right? You see that chicken? Hold on. Y'all see that chicken in there? That long piece of broccoli, you can't miss that. But yeah, the chicken and broccoli in here. I decided to use the Asian Zing sauce. It's starting to smell pretty good. It's starting to smell pretty good. I decided to use the Asian Zing sauce. I don't know how it's gonna taste, but you know, from the looks of it, it looks good. What you guys think? All right, I guess I'm gonna come back when it's all done. All right.
Perfect.